So the question is telling us that there are 22 cavities in in each row, and there are 39 rows. So the question is asking us how many seats are in the field. So we need to do 39 times 22.
Yes, great. So, do you know the difference in rows and columns?
Yeah.
If I place the cabbages in this position, suppose this is one cabbage, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth one. These are rows or columns?
Rows.
Very good. These are rows. Okay. Rows are horizontal. These are horizontal. And if we place cabbages in this position, this is
Yeah.
columns. Columns are vertical positions. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Look the question. I prepared this. Eh, like this. Rows. In rows, there are 22 cabbages. And in columns, there are 39 rows. Okay. 39 rows and 22 cabbages. So he is asking how many cabbage seeds are there in the field, total seeds. So how can we calculate? Do you have any idea how should we calculate them?
Yeah. You do 39 times 22.
39 and
22.
multiply by or addition.
Multiply.
Yes, very great. 39 multiply by 22. Can you solve it?
858.
858. Okay.
Yeah.
You said 39 multiplied by 22. 852.
858.
8 and 58. This
Yeah.
is okay. So look, look at the solution. You solved it rightly. Okay. 858. But we should write it. We will not solve it directly by multiplying as we did here. This is a trick, but we should explain it with statements because it is a statement problem. Like this, we should write a number of cabbages per row, okay, and number of rows 39. Then we have to multiply, and at the end, we should tell him in the sentence form that there are 858 cabbages seeds in the field. Okay, any questions or queries?
No.
Great. Let's move to the next question. Okay.
Yeah. My teacher shares a large packet of sweets evenly to our class of 24 pupils and then eats the leftover sweets. And there were 170 sweets in the packet. How many does the teacher eat?
Try to explain the question.
So first of all, the teacher has a large packet of sweets,
Yeah,
and there are 24 people in her class,
yeah,
and she spreads to them evenly,
yeah,
and then eats leftover sweets, and there are 170 sweets.
yes. If there are 24 peoples, then how can we divide 170 sweets in them? There are total 24 pupils and sweets were 170. How can we divide 170 evenly in 24 students?
We can just do 170 by 24, which would be, and you know, um,
Once 70 divided by 24.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then the leftover is the teacher.
Yes.
Sorry.
You can solve this like this, that you solve this in this way,
Yeah.
170. And
Yeah.
what is rough approximation?
Approximately, and the students eat 6 sweets each.
You said 6 sweets each. 24 multiplied by 6.
Yeah.
What does it become? 24 and multiply it with 6.
Which is 168.
168.
And then the remainder is 2, and the teacher eats 2 sweets.
2 sweets.
Yeah.
24 multiplied by 6 is not 168.
What? Oh
Twen-
no, yeah, sorry, I'm wrong. Sorry, I'm wrong.
yes. Tell me, 24 multiplied by 6.
It's 144.
Yes, that's great. 144.
Sorry, sorry.
So it's lesser than 170. Okay. So now we will try to multiply 24 by 7.
No, I'm sorry. Yeah.
7 and 168.
Yeah, and then the remainder is 2.
Yes.
But still, the answer would be the same.
Answer would not be same. How it can be same?
Like, it says that there are 170 sweets in the packet. How many does the
नहीं,
teacher eat?
in
And there's still 2.
yes, in last in at last time when there were 144 sweets, and then each student got 6 sweets per student. Okay, but now each student will get 7 sweets.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Hmm.
I think I'm just confusing myself right now.
Uh, okay, these are the sweets. These are the sweets. 170 sweets. He has 170 sweets, and there are 24 people. He has 24 students like this, and I solved these question here. Okay, no? 2 sweets, and okay, this comes as you we solved in the above 7, approximately 24 and 170.
Yeah.
So each people will receive 7 sweets. The total number of sweets distributed to the class is 24 multiplied by 7, 168, as we done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's mandatory to write statements like this. Total number of pupils, 24, number of sweets, 170. In this way, examiner understands that a learner has fully understood the question. Okay, let's move to the next question. Any queries or questions? I mean,
No.
can you hear me? Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes. Please read the question.
Was the 32.99. In the shop, but decides to wait until there is a sale. In the sale, Asif buys the computer game for 25.62. How much money did he save? I think I know how to do this.
Yes. He buys a computer in how many cost?
30. He buys it in 25.62.
He first first he buys in $32.99.
He didn't buy it though. He didn't
Yes.
buy it.
Yes.
Wanted to buy it.
but he decided in next time in a sale. ठीक है ना? There is a
Yeah.
sale, discounted price sale, and in it he buys the same. How much did he save? How much did he save? How can we solve?
You do 32.99 minus 25.62.
How can we solve this? Can you write on the whiteboard?
Yeah, can. 32.99.
Yeah.
And then underneath 25.63. Oh, oh wait, ah,
Uh,
well, I think you know what I mean. Because the columns are not like in this the decimal points not like lined up.
yeah, we must line up.
Yeah, I just can't write here like that's what six, two, that's better.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
great.
Okay, and add the decimal point here. So the decimal should be lined up. So 9 minus 2 is 7.
7.
9 minus 6 is 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't do 2 minus 5 to carry it over. So 12 minus 5, 7. This is a 2 minus 2, 0.
Yes.
So on 7.37.
Yes, that's great. But here also we should write initial cost is this, and in sale price is this, like in sentences. Okay, na? And
Okay.
then we should do the same thing as you have done. This is also right. This will also obtain full score, but there are some fraction of scores for the students who have explained the questions in detail, because like IMO, International Mathematical Olympiad, or Kangaroo International Mathematic Contest, they people keep an eye on every fraction of the solution of the question. So uh, you solved it right like this. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Great. Let's move to the fourth question.
Uh, Anna decides to share her pizza with two of her friends. She gives one friend a fifth of the pizza and the other friend 3/10 of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza is left for Anna? Okay.
Yeah.
So what friend? Oh wait, yeah. Do I mark it out over here?
She is Anna.
One.
Okay. These
Yeah. Okay.
these are her two friends. Where are you solving? You
I'm
can
writing it down.
you can
I'm
solve
writing
it.
it down.
You can solve it here.
Yeah, I am. I am. So 1/5. Second one, that sound 3/10. Yeah. And now we need to make them the same denominator.
Yes.
So 1/5, oh, again, times, like the denominator times 2 and the numerator times 2 equals to, equals to 2/10. 2/10. And then you do 2/10 plus 3/10. Yeah. Well, oh,
Uh,
2
Making its numerator and denominator equal. Denominator equal both.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
With 3/10 equals 3. So the denominator stays the same, and then 5/10. Okay. So the whole is 10/10. 1 whole equals 10 over 10.
Yes, 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10.
Yep. So you do 10 over 10, 10 over 10 minus 5 over 10, which is 5 over 10. So that's how much is Anna gets, 5 over 10. But you need to simplify that. So 5 over 10 equal. So divide both of them by 5 equals to 1 over 3, a half. A half.
Mm.
Yeah. So max is 1.5.
Okay, 1.5.
Sorry, 1/2. A half. A half.
A half. 1.5. A half. Okay.
Well, yeah, because 1.5 would be 1 whole and a half. So that's why.
Mm, okay. These are easy questions
Yeah.
you are solving by yourself.
Yeah. I can do that mentally.
Yes. Okay, half is the answer like this. You also solved exactly like this. But let's try. She gives one friend a fifth of the pizza.
Yeah.
If I write it fourth of the pizza, I am changing the question. Fourth of the pizza.
Yeah.
And how can we write fourth part of the pizza?
It's like 1/4 or 1/4.
1 over 4. Okay. It means 1 out of 4 and
Yeah.
3/10 means 3 pieces out of 10 pieces. These are 10 pieces. A pizza has 10 pieces like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10th position. I am trying to say a little thing to you that uh, it's out of 4 pieces and it's out of 10 pieces. How can you justify it? Does she has 2 pizzas? Why we write this in this way? Yeah,
Um. Um. Oh, sorry.
he has one pizza, na?
Yeah. Yeah. One pizza.
Uh,
That you find
yeah.
the LCM.
Why we wrote one and 5, 1 by 5 or 1 over 5?
Because it's a fifth. So like it would be 1/5.
Hmm.
Like so, a fifth would be out of 5 pieces, and a fifth would be out of 5 pieces, and it would be like 1/5 because it never specifies which one. Is it like 2/5, 3/5,
O-
4/5, 5?
o- okay. Why there is a need to multiply it by 2 as you done and you solve this like this, na? Why we
Yeah,
have to multiply it by 2?
because 5 times 2 equals to 10.
Yes.
Uh,
Only there is a need to rationalize these to make them equal.
well, there's another way, like where you can do like a how much is it? 1/5.
Okay.
We actually had this one.
Yes. Why we multiplied it? We can solve it in the same scenario, na? We can solve a fraction if even if it has different denominator. My question is why we multiply it by 2 like this. Multiply by 2 and only to make the denominators equal.
Yeah, and the numerator should change as well, because if it doesn't change, the value will be different.
And the most importantly, in the fractions and whole questions, there must be 10 because these are 10 pieces. Okay.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is also the reason, not only the reason to make the denominators equal and to make the simplifications easier. We did this as per the requirements of the question, as we have 10 pieces. Let's move to the next question.
okay. Jordan has a collection of 1,345 marbles. He gives his friend 689 of the marbles. How many does Jordan have left? That's easy.
Yes, that's it.
Check what you are in my book.
636. 636.
Yeah.
How you did this?
So, first of all, it says
Yes.
Jordan has a collection of 1,345 or 1,345.
Yes.
I reading it out like it's a decimal for some reason. And then he gives his friend 689. If it says the word gives, it means that we need to subtract.
Yes.
So of the marbles, so the of the total marbles, so 1,345, and then that will give you the answer. So 1, 3. Uh,
Okay. 636.
Wait a minute.
You did it wrong or I
No,
did it?
sorry. No, I wrote 656. I read something else. Sorry.
Okay, okay. The
I
6.
did write 656. I
Oh,
did write here.
okay, okay, good. And we have to write at the end that 656 marbles left over after giving 689 marbles to his friend. Can you see the sheet?
Yeah,
Question 14.
yeah.
Try to read the question.
There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter and 100 centimeters in a meter. How many millimeters are there in 25.1 meter? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, you need to do 25.1 times 100 because there are 100 centimeters. So I'll just do this mentally,
Yeah.
or should I just write it down? 3, 5, and 10. That is how much centimeters that is equal to.
Yeah.
Just a
Uh,
second.
uh, uh, Point. Decimal.
No,
Put the
no,
decimal.
no, because I'm converted that into centimeters, not um. It's not meters, it's centimeters.
You have converted it directly. Okay, okay, okay. You converted it directly.
Because no, because I forgot to write that 25.1 times 100.
Move further. Very good.
Yeah. Um, and then there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So you do so 2,510 times 10 millimeters equals to 25100. Can you see this?
N-
Millimeters.
No, I can see only. Yes, now I can see.
Yeah. That is the answer.
This would be our answer.
Well, I actually know how to do 19 because it's easy.
Okay, okay.
Can we do 20?
In order of smallest to largest form.
Yeah, I already know how to do that. You look at the biggest place value. This one is the smallest. This is the second smallest. This is the third smallest. That's the fourth smallest.
Yes.
This is the first smallest. Second smallest. What's next? Uh, what's my name on the screen? This is third, fourth, and fifth.
Okay, very good. And did this first, but you solved it as per number line. You know
No, I just know how to do it. I just
you
know how to do it.
how you did this?
So look, I just know like I how to explain it. Like I know what I mean, but I don't know how to like explain it.
Yes. y-
Look, so 16 would be bigger than 8 if it's in the positive lane, so like in this side to the right, and it would be smaller because the 16 comes after 8. So it would be 0 and then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6, -7, -8.
Yes.
So -8 becomes to be 4
Uh,
and
uh,
-16.
how did this idea came into your mind? You explained it very well. I want to say what's behind in the roots in this idea. I want to say you know number line. What is number line?
Yeah, yeah,
This is the whole theme behind this. And number line
yeah,
start from here and +1, +2, +3, and to okay na. And
yeah,
in here it goes in negative numbers -1, -2. So all the idea you explained is derived or from the number line. Okay,
yeah.
let's move to the next question. Question number 20.
Wait, sorry, I'm just gonna waste this. Billy went shopping. I bought three computer games that cost 25.50 each and two donuts that cost £1 30 each. How much change did Billy get from £100? Who pays it for £100?
Yes.
Um, so one computer game, I'm gonna say one CG because well, yeah, one CG equals to 25.50 pounds. Wait, pounds. So if it's a 3 CG, so
Yes.
it becomes 3.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, just a second. 3 CG equals to 25.50 times 3. That. And then 25.50 times 3. Wait, 35.50 times 3 equals to 76.50. And then one D, one donut equals to one. Where's the pound sign?
Okay. You calculated one.
Yeah.
You calculated
How
it.
do I do the pound sign?
You calculated this portion, and now you have to work on this.
No, I already did that. Like three computers game.
Total becomes 76.50. Now we'll multiply 2 by this, add them both, and subtract
Yeah.
from this, and our answer will be 20.9. Take care. Good luck. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
You too. Bye.